Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, MaNdlovu, after MaNdlovu throws uncomfortable with Phakade advance, Phakade realized that MaNdlovu tell him the truth. He must focus on her second wife. While Sebenzile admitted to use Moti on Phakade does not work for her, it worked for MaNdlovu. Zethulele served a divorce summons on Noxola, while Poppie calls out Lindiwe for playing Thabo for a fool and resolved to make Lindiwe pay for her despicable action. And Lindiwe is going out with Xavier and a house party. And it seems like Lindiwe is enjoying the moment while Maria is focusing on the plan of her and Jody. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.